The panel is recommending emergency use authorization for Moderna's coronavirus vaccine. Final approval by the FDA could come as soon as tomorrow. Congress is expected to work into the